Welcome to the QNAP channel. I'm Jerry, Product Manager at QNAP. This time, QNAP launched the 12 to 24-bay PCIe JBAR, which is designed for QNAP NAS to provide petabyte-scale massive storage expansion, different from the general high-cost SAS expansion equipment. PCIe JBAR use economic SATA drives, which is suitable for building disk arrays and the storage pool expansion. Plus the exclusive PCIe cascade design suitable for the meticulous budgeting IT professionals who are gearing up for flexible petabyte scale storage. Let's move on. The newly designed PCIe JBAR has a total of 3 models, supporting 12-bay TL-Rx00PES-RP, 16-bay TL-Rx1600PES-RP, and 24-bay TL-Rx2400PES-RP. A single NAS can support up to 12 JBARs in series, and a total of 288 disks can be connected to 24-bay counting, with total usable capacity of 4 petabyte. The QNAP NAS must be equipped with a new PCIe expansion card and a special cable connection to support this JBAR. This series can reach up to 64 gigabits per second of bandwidth. And addition to the support of host-based power management. This new feature eliminates the embarrassment of turn on or off JBAR in the field. The evaluation of public cloud and private cloud is a common choice problem encountered by IT professionals. Using AWS S3 to store a public cloud in the Western United States. If the company needs 1 petabyte of storage space, the minimum cost of the renting is $25,000, excluding data retrieval. If you use QNAP 24-bay JBAR Plus expansion card and the special cable with 46 22 terabyte disks, the total cost will be $24,000, which is equivalent to the hardware installation playing back in the first year. And the local storage is more suitable for storing sensitive data. I believe QNAP PCIe JBAR is an excellent choice. The all-flash solution of the QNAP NAS series has low latency and millions of IOPS random read capabilities, and is suitable for data center and multi-cloud applications. As the company grows, store space may begin to be limited. At this time, new PCIe JBAR, it is the best expansion partner. The expansion capacity can reach a considerable capacity of up to 4 petabyte. As mentioned on the previous page, the maximum supported capacity of PCIe JBAR is 4 petabyte. The calculation method is to use 12 24-bay PCI JBAR model TL-Rx00PES-RP and use 22 terabyte hard drives for evaluation. A total of up to 288 SATA hard disks are supported. It should be noted here that each NAS supports different quantities. Please refer to the compatibility list for details. This is the current list of QNAP all-flash NAS that support PCI JBAR for Petabyte-Scale capacity expansion. You can refer to the purchase. In addition, TSH3088S-RP will soon support it. This is the list of PCI JBAR support in the first phase. The above includes which PCI slots of NAS supported, the maximum supported expansion capacity, the maximum cascade JBAR units supported, etc. You can also refer to this brief table for confirmation when you purchasing. This page is a list of NAS that will support PCI JBAR in the second phase. It is expected to be supported in Q1 next year. When purchasing PCI JBAR to expand the capacity of QNAP NAS, don't forget to select a PCI expansion card and special cables. You can refer to the compatibility list for selection. In principle, the selection is based on the PCI slot bandwidth supported by the NAS. For PCI Gen 3x8 and above, choose QXP 3x8 PES and by 8 special cables. And below, choose QSP 3x4 PES and by 4 special cables. It should be noted that also the bandwidth of the PCI Gen 4x4 slot is higher than that of Gen 3x8. The expansion card only supports the Gen 3x4 speed in this case. In addition, please note that the JBAR package does not include an expansion card. It only contains an by-8 special cable. The expansion card and the by-4 special cable must be purchased separately. When choosing PCI JBAR, please note that the QTS and the QUTS Hero operating system must be above 5.1.2. And the BIOS also be matched with the suitable version. For details, please refer to the compatibility list on the official website. When using TSH2490FU NAS for PCI JBAR expansion, the largest of configuration is as showing this picture. At this time, you need to prepare 3 QSP 3S4 PES cards and install them in slot 1 to 3 respectively. The channel of each card is first connected to the first layer JBAR's input 1. and then connect the output 1 of the first layer to the input 1 of the second layer JBar through a special cable to complete the cascade connection. By connecting each channel, the expansion of up to 12 JBars can be achieved. The layout relationship only use 12-bay JBar is used as an example. The same connection method is applicable to 16-bay and 24-bay JBar. The 12-bay and the 16-bay JBars adopts a short traces design that is rare on the market and include a redundant power supply. When one of the power supplies fails, the other power supply can continue to provide the power, so that storage services will not be interrupted. Its 37 centimeter short depth chassis is suitable for most cabinets on the market. Different from the common seeing 2U or 3U recommend JBar, which are more than 40 centimeter depth and heavy. TL-Rx00PES-RP and TL-Rx1600PES-RP have a lightweight design that reduces the volume by 30%, allowing for power redundancy and a short depth body, addressing two needs at once. IT staff who have been waiting hard for the wire network bandwidth to carry out time consuming, and huge data migration are in luck. They can use QNAP's secure migration by JBar mechanism to directly migration data to another location by physical transporting the entire JBar to another place. JBar's new function, host-based power management. When a general JBar encounters a power outage and restore power during normal use, IT staff need to go to the field and press the button to restore the JBar state. If the server room is remote or occurs during non-working hours, it will be extremely difficult to reset JBar. In order to solve this pain point, QNAP PCI JBar provides a convenience function that can be used to turn on the JBar at the same time when the NAS are restored after the power outage, saving your time and effort. The PCI JBar has the same appearance as the TL-Rx00PES-RP short chassis series. The main difference is the interface on the rear. There is a power button on the right mounting ear. The three indicators are status, link, fan. In addition, keys is included in the shipping package for lock this hard disk tray to prevent accident removal. There is a redundant power supply at the rear to reduce the possibility of services interruption, and a 7-segment display showing the JBar ID number. The main interfaces include port for NAS host connecting and cascading to expand another JBar. There will be a more detailed introduction later. This is the front and the rear appearance of the 16-bay TL-Rx00PES, which adopts a 3 short dips chassis design. The I/O on the rear is the same design. TL-Rx00PES-RP adopts QNAP's traditional 4U 24-bay design. This model is 630mm dips, and the real I/O is the same design. PCI JBAR real I/O is introduced in sequence. First is the JBAR enclosure ID indicator. Second, input means connecting to the NAS or connecting to the upper layer JBAR. Third, output means connecting to the next layer JBAR. Fourth, link indicator. When JBAR connecting is normally and the bandwidth is PCIe Gen 3 by 8 above, it will be green. Suppose the bandwidth is lower than this, it will light orange. Fifth, active LED flashing green during the transmission. Last, I want to mention that each input or output port includes interface 1 and 2, respectively. When 1 is connected alone, it is suitable for PCIe Gen 3 by 4. When 1 and 2 are connected simultaneously, then it is suitable for PCIe Gen 3 by 8 bandwidth. In QTS or QUTS hero system, IT staff can easily expand the storage pool through JBAR. After JBAR is connected to the NAS, follow this step to obtain larger storage space, which is very convenient. Now we go to the demo part. Log into the QTS hero, then we can see we already connect to JBAR 12-bay JBAR and the 16-bay JBAR. Next, we will expand the pool. Choose manager. Wait a second. Okay. Here is the pool 2 configuration. Then expand here. Then next. Okay, choose the 16-bay JBAR. Choose 4 drives. Then next. Okay, you can see the original capacity and the expand capacity. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Okay, complete the expansion pool. Yeah, let's go back to the presentation. If users who originally use QNAP SAS JBAR want to migrate the SATA disks to a new PCI JBAR, please follow the above architecture diagram and first perform safely detach, then shut down the NAS and install the PCI expansion card and move the hard drive to the PCI JBAR. Then turn on the NAS after the installation is complete. Entire the system select, mount, and restore the storage pool are completed. QNAP has many interface JBAR for user choose. The new PCI JBAR has a maximum of 24 bay models. If you need to expand the storage pool of the NAS or flexible cascade expand the storage, you can choose PCIe or SAS JBAR. Those who want the fastest transmission bandwidth can choose SAS JBAR that support multi-pace. The entry-level models are available in SATA and USB JBAR. For the convenience of physical migration, USB JBAR is the most suitable, usually without expansion card. To use PCI JBAR, you need to first confirm whether the version of QUTS Hero operating system is 5.1.2 or above. You can easily view the hard drive smart information, perform disk performance testing, locate JBAR, and attach or detach functions. The TL series JBAR can be used for QNAP NAS local snapshots and as a backup space. Besides, the JBAR can create a storage pool or the snapshot task. It can create a backup of volumes and longs to the JBAR. This enterprise class series of PCI JBARs QNAP provides a reassuring 5 years warranty. Finally, let's review the PCI JBAR specifications mentioned earlier. The short dips traces JBAR includes 2U 12-bay and 3U 16-bay configurations, while the single enclosure with the highest number of the bays of JBAR is 4U 24-bay. Then TL-Rx00PES-RP will launch in Q1 next year. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you for watching. I'm Jerry, Product Manager at QNAP, and I will see you next time. Bye.